Cheers. All these people also getting on the train. Seems quite busy actually. I guess Stansted is pretty classic for the early morning flights, cheap early morning flights to Europe. People going away for New Year's.
Airport. This train terminates here.
I'm at Stansted now, and I think I remember why I haven't been here so long. It's just one of the worst places, one of the worst airports I've ever been in, 100%. One thing I underestimated was how kind of awkward it is just to get the camera out and just start talking at it. So I'm just going by the closed gates now, get away from the crowds a little bit. But I think I need to go through security. Now, so I'm gonna head over there and see how long the queue is. Flight's in about an hour. So I think I'm just going to hang around and see what there is to do.
Thank you.
Made it. Fuerteventura Airport. Not too bad for a 4.5 hour Ryanair flight. Right, here I am. I need to get some cash, and I've been told I need to take the number 3 bus and then the number 6 bus. God knows where I'm going to get them from, but we will persevere. Okay, cold hard cash obtained. Now to find the right number bus. I've made it. I've made it to Corralejo. This place looks crazy. It's like on the way up, it's just like a volcanic desert island. Feels like you're driving through Mars. Really cool though. Can see a lot of like volcanoes and big sand dunes and everything, and yeah, really looking forward to maybe exploring some of that. One of the goals is maybe to climb one of the volcanoes if possible. It does, yeah. It's kind of cool. It's weird that it like moves not as I move it. It reached the limit.
It lost you.
It lost me. It just gave up. It's like, oh god. No, doesn't like it. Like a little camera. I don't know. I will come in. I'm taking a video. It looks okay. They look happy. Yeah. Yeah, I'm ready. It's going.